is inevitable if you follow the right procedure. Every patient has different needs, but there's only one foolproof path towards wellness.
Eyes, bodies, burns, baby.
Yes, the sky was green, the tree was violet, and you were up there, Mary, in the branches.
She only wants to see dolls now. She says they're easier to figure out.
Do you agree?
I'm not sure.
Locate the pain. Locate the pain.
They'd be nothing without you.
Or me.
All right, girls, that's quite enough entertainment for today.
No encore? My turn to sing. The honey face was sweet, the lovemaking was hot. Lulu once said I was a sex god.
I did not.
I love you. I hope it isn't strange of me to say I knew after you left me last night. And then I watched you get smaller and smaller, further into the hallway, moving toward an edge. I thought she might just fall off. Her world might be flat, and she might be walking right over it.
Charlie, no! You have to leave! Your time is up! What do you do with two girls, two pearls, two dolls so in love?
I don't know what they told you down there, but some dolls here, dolls like Eliza, Lulu, they messed up during the procedure. They hesitated in the kiln. You should only be in there for 10 counts.
Learning love's refrain.